Hello and welcome to the Coffee-direct kitchen. We've been sharing some beautiful coffee recipes recently, and today we wanted to show you a lovely vegan recipe for our slightly different take on a Turkish-inspired sweet coffee. To make this recipe, all you'll need is 2 heaped teaspoons of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of both cinnamon and ground cardamom. For this recipe, you can use your preferred brewing method. We've used cafetiere here. You'll also want to use a coffee that has a more aromatic profile, like our Zimbabwe coffee. So firstly, you need to brew your coffee. You want the coffee to be strong, yet clean. To achieve this, brew your 2 heaped tablespoons of coffee using about 250 millilitres of filtered water. So that's exactly what we've done here. Once you've brewed your coffee, pour it into a small saucepan over a medium-high heat. Add the sugar and spice and bring the mixture to a boil. Now you can let the mixture boil away for 3 to 4 minutes, which will give it a gorgeously smooth texture and will cause a foam to form on the top, which is an essential part of Turkish coffee. Pour your coffee slowly into espresso-sized cups. And serve. This coffee is super intense, very unique, and extremely delicious. We really hope you enjoy making it at home. Be sure to check out our full range of delicious coffees at coffee-direct.co.uk and click on subscribe to be kept up to date with all of our latest coffee content.